Hi, my name is Karreem Armalin, and I'm a student here at RIVEROAK Technical College. I'm currently enrolled in the Adult Basic Education Program and the Welding Program. I've been enrolled for about 7 months now, and the classroom experience is an awesome experience, especially with the adult education classroom with my teachers, Mrs. Henderson and Mrs. Sapp, two of the best teachers I have ever met. Coming to RIVEROAK Technical College has been life-changing. You get hands-on training, classroom experience from teachers who care and know everything. And I would have to say that there are some awesome programs. And one experience that sets RIVEROAK out to me is the family-oriented campus. I mean, the staff, the faculty, the teachers, they're awesome. They're willing to help and be there for you at any time of the day. I would tell someone looking to do what I'm doing, if you're sitting home thinking of a career and you're not sure, call RIVEROAK Technical College. Give it a try, go in, and then you tell me whether it was worth it.